The directions for this question say factor out the greatest common factor, 12x minus 9. Greatest common factor can also be called the GCF. In order to find the greatest common factor, I need to list all the factors of 12 and 9. So let's start with 12. I know that 1 times 12 is 12. I know that 2 times 6 is 12. And I know that 3 times 4 is 12. Those are all of my possible factors for 12. Now I'm going to list my factors for 9. 1 times 9 is 9, and 3 times 3 is 9. Those are the only factors for 9. Now I need to take my two charts, so this chart and this chart, and see what numbers are common on each. So I notice that there's a 3 here and a 3 here. So I'm going to write that number as part of my answer. Next to the greatest common factor, I'm going to draw parentheses. And because I have a subtraction sign here, I'm going to draw a subtraction sign in the middle of my parentheses. Now I need to find 12. What times 3 is 12? So I can see over here that 3 times 4 is 12. And then I keep the x. And now I need to figure out what times 3 is 9. Well, I can see in my chart 3 times 3 is 9. So I'm going to put 3 here. My answer to this question is 3 times 4x minus 3.